look what the storm did the other day. The hurricane force winds were coming from the west because all our tree break, the windbreak has been broken this way, away from the west, so blown in from the west and made a hell of a mess. This is a blackwood I planted 20 years ago, and then there's another peppermint over there, planted about 10 years ago or so, just gone just like that. Unbelievable, this weather. Look at this. That's way too big for us to handle. Look at the size of the gum tree. We don't get normal wind anymore. Hurricane force winds. This is nuts.